In this video, you will learn some simple steps to take to prevent everyday accidents. Keep household cleaning products high up or in a locked cupboard. Do not put toxic products into bottles intended for foodstuffs. Keep all medication together in a secure place, out of reach of children. The best answer is a locked medicine cabinet. Do not leave windows open and unattended. If you have a balcony, make sure that your child's head cannot fit through the bars. If so, use another barrier. Prevent access to stairs by using a stair gate. Do not leave electrical cables trailing on the floor. Don't leave small objects lying around that could be swallowed by young children. To avoid burns, turn pan handles towards the wall. Keep lighters and matches away from children, and use a fire guard in front of a fireplace. Always unplug the iron after use. Never leave an extension lead plugged in when it is not in use. Use plug socket safety covers. Always ensure that the temperature of bathwater and of food is not too hot. To avoid drowning, never leave a child unsupervised in the bath, even if the water is very shallow. Never leave a child alone near the sea or at the edge of a pool. If you have a swimming pool, you must install a fence of sufficient height or an approved surveillance system. Always explain the potential risks to your children.